Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog, your trusted destination for the latest home decor and interior design inspiration. In today's video, we are exploring one of the most trending concepts in modern homes, open kitchen designs. These spaces are more than just cooking area, they are about lifestyle, togetherness and creativity. Whether your home is compact or spacious, an open kitchen can completely transform the way your living area feels, making it brighter, more functional, and visually connected. So stay tuned the next end as we will dive into the latest open kitchen design ideas for featuring trending layouts, materials, lighting, and decor styles that truly elevate modern living. Open kitchens have gained immense popularity in recent years because they represent the way we live today, open, connected, and inclusive. They allow families and friends to interact freely while cooking or dining, creating a warm and social atmosphere. By removing unnecessary walls and barriers, open kitchens instantly make spaces look larger and more inviting. They also allow natural light to flow more freely, making your home feel airy and bright. The modern open kitchen is not just about the aesthetic, it's about the functionality with freedom. When planning an open kitchen, layout is everything. The Iceland layout continues to demonstrate trends in 2025. A central island serves multiple purposes. It's a prep area, dining counter, and a social hub all in one. Many homeowners are opting for built-in cooktops, sinks, or even wine coolers within their kitchen island to maximize utility and luxury. The L-shaped open kitchen is another excellent choice for both small and larger spaces. It creates clear working zones and always easy movement while keeping the area open. For medium-sized homes, the peninsula layout works beautifully. It offers the benefits of an island but stays connected to one side of the wall, saving space while maintaining functionality. Some designers are also experimenting with parallel layouts that features a glass or wooden partition to subtly separate the kitchen from the inviting area without blocking light or visibility. Material kitchen selections play a major role in defining the style and personality of your kitchen. Natural textures and sustainable materials are leading the way. Wooden finishes in light oak, walnut, or ash brings warmth and harmony, blending beautifully with open living spaces. Matte cabinet finishes are becoming increasingly popular for their smooth, elegant look and low maintenance. For countertops, skirts, and marbles continue to be the timeless favorites, offering both beauty and durability. To add a modern touch, designers are incorporating glass shells, bronze handles, and brushed gold fixtures. Another growing trend is mixing materials such as pairing wooden cabinetry with the concrete or stone countertops or creating a balanced layered look that feel both organic and contemporary. Because open kitchens are visible from other parts of the house, smart storage becomes essential. A cluttered kitchen can disturb the harmony of the entire space. To maintain a clean and organized look, consider modular cabinets, pull-out drawers, and hidden storage systems that keep everyday items out of sight. Floating shelves and overhead racks are excellent for displaying decor pieces or plants without overwhelming the design. The key is to strike the right balance, showcasing what adds character while concealing what creates clutter. When done right, your kitchen remains stylish, open, and functional at all the times. Lighting plays a transformance role in open kitchen design. The trend for Latest kitchen focuses on layered lighting, combining ambient tasks and Asian lights to create depth and warmth. Panel lights above the kitchen island not only highlight the centerpiece but also adds a sense of sophistication. Under cabinet LED strips provide soft illumination for workspaces while enhancing the overall visual appeal. Warm recessed lighting can be used to merge the kitchen seamlessly with the living area, maintaining a cozy and ununified atmosphere. As for colors, neutral tones like beige, cream, and taupe dominate modern kitchen, while ancient shades like olive green, matte black, or deep teal are being used on cabinets, bar stools, and backsplashes to bring a subtle contrast and personality. Another essential aspect of open kitchen design is visual integration with the surrounding space. The kitchen, dining, and living areas should complement each other in both colors and materials. You can achieve this harmony by using matching flooring materials or by placing a textured rug to define each area substantially. Furniture also plays an important role. For instance, a dining set that matches the cabinetry or a pendant light that elegance with the kitchen island can create a beautifully coordinated look. Many homeowners also add indoor plants, wall decor, or artwork near the kitchen area to bring a touch of warmth and life. The goal is to make your open kitchen feel like a natural extension of your living space rather than a separate session. Before we wrap up, remember that designing an open kitchen is about balance, blending openness with organization, aesthetics with practicality. Think about how you can use your space daily and plan accordingly. Add personal touches, though through color, textures, or decorative items, but keep the overall look cohesive with the rest of your home. So, whether you are renovating your kitchen or planning a new one, with these latest open kitchen design ideas, you will help to create a space that's stylish, comfortable, and built for modern living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more inspiring home decor and interior design content every week. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.